Attempt 3. Okay, emergency call. This girl is gonna try to ramp. It's gonna be pretty funny because she says she's gonna pull back as hard as she can on that ramp. It's like a dirt hill. Oh, here she comes. Nowhere! Now my turn. Here, it's still recording. It's my turn.
Don't get it.
No, okay. You don't hit me. Don't hit me. Just dude. I just land over there. She lands right there. That's right. Here she comes. Let's watch an idiot try to ramp. Oh, you got a centimeter off the ground! No, it's still on record. Now record me. You get over there so I can show you how you get. I'll show you how to do